Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Alltech, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech gadgets. Today we're diving into a game-changing product, the VITURE Lite XR glasses and USB-C adapter. These XR glasses redefine portable entertainment, offering an immersive audio-visual experience, wide compatibility, and next-level gaming support. So let's check out what makes these XR glasses a must-have. Oh, if you want to know more detail about this product, you may check the link in the description box below. While the VITURE Lite XR glasses work directly with iPhone 15, the real magic happens with the USB-C XR charging adapter. This unlocks enhanced 3 degrees of freedom tracking, VR features, multi-screen support, and even allows you to charge your phone while using XR mode. If you own an iPhone 16 or 15 Pro, you're in for a next-level experience. The VITURE Lite XR glasses work with almost any USB-C device that supports video and power output. Whether it's a Steam Deck, ROG Ally, MacBook, iPad, or Android phone, these glasses integrate seamlessly, giving you a versatile all-in-one XR solution. The display is truly breathtaking. You get a 55 ppd virtual screen running at 1080p 60 frames per second, delivering sharp visuals and smooth performance. The audio is powered by Harman's Audio FX technology, ensuring crystal clear sound while minimizing noise leakage. That means you can fully immerse yourself in your content without disturbing those around you. Gamers, get ready. The VITURE Lite XR glasses are optimized for remote gaming, supporting PSP Play, XBX Play, and other top-tier remote play apps. Whether you're on the go or lounging at home, these glasses provide seamless console gaming anywhere, anytime. Apple users will love this. These glasses are the first to support Apple's spatial video. Using the Spacewalker app, you can record and relive 3D videos captured with your iPhone 16 or 15 Pro's camera. No extra conversion needed. If you wear glasses, no worries. The VITURE Lite XR glasses support adjustments up to -5.0D, 500 degrees, meaning you can fine-tune the lenses for perfect vision. No need for additional prescription lenses. So should you buy the VITURE Lite XR glasses and USB-C adapter? Absolutely. With stunning visuals, immersive audio, wide compatibility, and unbeatable gaming support, this is the ultimate XR experience for iPhone and beyond. What do you think of the VITURE Lite XR glasses? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you loved this review, hit that like button, subscribe to Alltech, and turn on notifications for more in-depth tech reviews. See you in the next video.